Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is James from Dividend Stock Talk, brought to you by the 10-Minute Trader, where I invest in dividend stocks for weekly cash flow. It is 1/24/24. Interesting. January 24th, 2024. Getting in, it's Wednesday. We are still in the fourth week of the first quarter. Let's jump on in, see where we are, see where we're going, and see what our trades look like. Now, if you've forgotten, I invest for safe, secure, predictable, and consistent weekly cash flow. My main objective is a safe 1% per week, using nothing but pre-qualified dividend stocks, and those are companies that have increased their payments to the shareholders for a minimum of 20 to 25 years. Let's take a look at the positions that I have, and we can go take a look at what we have coming up. CMCSA. Here we go. Now, we're going to take a look at the last 30 days because I said so. I hated when my mother said that. Well, because that's where I am. 30 days ago today, Comcast opened up at 44. The 30-day high was on the 28th of December. Now, you're going to hear me say a few things over and over again. The 30-day high, you're going to get profit taking. Okay, she drops the profit taking, retraces a little bit, and then she drops again to find a new bottom at 42.08. Now you get a 30-day bottom. More than likely, you're going to have escalation in price, and it's going to go as far as it's going to go until this profit taking again. Now she jumps up and challenges that 30-day high, making it as high as 44.33. Didn't quite make it. She opened up at 44.28. And she pushed for that 44.33, but she couldn't quite make it. So my assumption is more than likely it's going to be profit taking today and tomorrow, because there's a nice space from the 30-day bottom to where we are now. Let's take a look at the seasonality chart to see what it normally does this time of year. Now, Comcast, I was doing some research, it's over 26 million. It might be more. 26 million customers paying them on a monthly basis. That's some crazy numbers if you think about it. All right. She got a tendency to dip a smidge at this time. Just going to dip a smidge, then go sideways. What does the trade grid look like for Comcast CMCSA? CMCSA. Comcast. There we go. 41.12 over 41.13 already. 15 minutes into the day, 1.16 million shares. First 15 minutes already 1.1 million shares. Okay. At this moment in time, 44.08. The 44 is going for $1.05. That's more than 2% just for the next couple of days. That's crazy. All right, they've already paid out their dividend at I believe it was the first week of the quarter. The first week of the quarter. I did collect a dividend. Thank you very much. And then I still own Comcast because even though I collected the dividend, the stock didn't touch my strike price. So I just collected premiums. I think I collected like 5 premiums and 1 dividend for Comcast. And Comcast, like I said, it's got like 40-something million customers. It's still a good deal at this moment. Buy it at 44, sell someone the right to buy it from you at 102. Yeah, I could do that, and I could do it next week too. Okay, I don't mind. Okay, so that's Comcast. I like that position. Capital One Finance, COF. Capital One Finance, last 30 days. There we go. 30 days ago today, we're sitting at 130.15. We went sideways for a bit, found a new high at 34.26. You got some profit taking, which took us right into the 18th. And then from there, that's our new bottom, 123.23. From there, 1, 2, 3, 4 days to the upside. 4 days to the upside. Okay, where's it going to go continuously? Well, let's see what seasonality says. For the next week or so, sideways. No rhyme or reason, just going to go sideways. All right. Trade grid for COF, in case you guys want to jump in today. 131.21, 131.24. Got 100,000 shares trading at the 131. You look, that can't be right. Can't be right. $3.10 if you buy it at 31. Okay, the current price is $31.12. You're going to lose 12 cents right off the top, but you can't. But you're getting $3.10 as a premium. So that's $2.98 profit on a 131 stock. That's crazy. All right. Next on the list is Ford. We like our Ford. Oh, wait a second. Where am I? Capital and Finance. Sorry. Keep the gun here. All right. Capital and Finance. I got it at 130.65. I sold off the 131s and I collected $3.30 per share. Freaking amazing. I have better choice of words, but you know, I don't want to get canceled. Weird. Can't have no such thing as freedom of speech. People get offended so easily. Freaking crazy. All right, Ford. Last 30 days. 30 days ago today, we're at the 30-day high at $12.50. And you have 30-day high, you're going to have profit taking. Exactly what happened. Whole week of profit taking. Found a soft bottom at 11.64. A little bit to the upside. 12.05. And they had profit taking again. Bottomed out on the 19th. And that was 10.83. Now, I like Ford for a couple of reasons. One, been in business for over 100 years, continuously increasing their dividends, or paying out dividends, one or the other. And they got the dividend coming up in a week or so, and the book value. Okay, right now the stock price $11.36. The book value $14.47, I think it is. So the book value is higher than the stock price, so there's really no risk. Okay, company goes belly up, you get whatever the book value is. Now, I'm into Ford, 11.48. I sold some on the right to buy it at 11.50. Could it hit that? Yeah, it could. It might even, because it's not that far off now. If it does, great. I'll be back into cash come Monday. If it doesn't, I don't care. I'll just carry it into money because I've already collected the premium on it. And I'll hold it into the dividend if I could, collect a little bit more. GM is next. Last 30 days for GM. 36.11, 30 days ago. The 30-day high is 36.85, and that was on the 8th. From there, you get profit taken down to a double bottom of 34.32. That was the 18th and the 19th. Okay, double bottom. She went up a little bit. She's sitting at 35.43. Where am I? I'm at 36.37, and I sold off the 36.50s. May or may not hit that one. I don't see it happening. You know, I'll just take GM into next week. I don't care. I've already collected the premium. I'm okay with that. Morgan Stanley's next. Last 30 days. Opened up at 92.90. 30-day high at 94.15. Got profit taking right into the 18th and the 19th. Got the bottomed out at 83.20. And 4 days up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we're sitting at 87.70 at this moment in time. And where am I with Morgan Stanley? 86.87. And I sold the 87s. That should be in the money, but it's not. That's weird. Because it doesn't say it's in the money. So let's view this trade again. Oh, crap. I sold the wrong one. No, wait a minute. Yeah, I sold next week's. That's February 2nd's option. Damn. All right, well, it's what it is. You know, we all make mistakes, and there you go. I made a mistake. I admit it. I'm only human. All right. Next on the list, Clorox. CLX. Last 30 days. A 30-day bottom. There you go. 140.06. A 30-day top. Okay, from the 30-day bottom, you have your what do you call it? Your escalation. And it And it did escalate nicely. It goes from the 30-day bottom of 140.06, hits a escalated to 145.06, profit taking for about a week or so, and then she drops down, not quite 30-day bottom, but pretty low, 140.32, escalated to the 30-day high, 145.44. Profit taking took us into the 22nd, which was Monday. Now we're sitting at 141.53. Now what's my position here? 142.86. All right. It doesn't look like it's going to hit it. It could, but it doesn't look it. Capital and Finance, COF, next on the list. Okay, 30 days ago today, we're sitting at 130.15. 30-day high was 134.26. That was January 5th. Okay, from there, each profit taken, then she dropped to the new bottom, and that's 123.23. From that, 123.23, she escalated to where she is now, 131.50. I'm into this one at 130.76. I sold off the 129s. Why did I do that? I'm losing $1.76 right at the top. Well, I did it because they paid me $4.38. Well, okay, I can deal with that. Macy's. We already looked at Macy's. And that's basically it. Ooh, look at that. 12 minutes and I am done. Okay, you guys have a great day. I'm going to see you again tomorrow. Basically, tomorrow's going to be almost the exact same as it is today. Not a whole heck of a lot happens on Wednesdays and Thursdays. We just look to see if anything balances out and see if there's anything we need to take care of. Apparently not. So we'll see you again tomorrow.